Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by weighing 0.51 g L-ascorbic acid for a 10 ml batch. This gives 5–10% potency, a safe starting range. Once weighed, pour 8–9 ml distilled water into a sterile glass beaker. This lowers initial pH and helps full dissolution. Stir gently with a clean glass rod until the powder fully dissolves. You want a clear solution. Make sure to keep the mix out of bright light and use gloves to prevent contamination and skin irritation. Once dissolved, test pH with strips. You want about 3.03. 5 because vitamin C is stable and active there. Too high and it's ineffective, too low and it can irritate. Adjust by adding pinch-sized amounts of citric acid to lower pH or a tiny bit of sodium bicarbonate to raise it. Mix and retest after each addition. If you choose, add 0.5% glycerin for moisturizing feel and a drop of ferulic acid for antioxidant synergy. Dissolve fully before proceeding. You now funnel the toner into an amber glass bottle, leaving minimal headspace to limit oxidation. Cap tightly. Label with concentration and date, then store in a cool, dark place or fridge. This slows degradation and keeps potency for about 2–4 weeks. If you notice a color change to yellow or brown or a sharp off odor, discard immediately because oxidized vitamin C can irritate and won't work. If irritation occurs, stop use and rinse. Consider lowering concentration next time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.